Hello everyone. The dish that we're going to do today is the kind of dish that you would do when you're not really in a mood to cook, but you still want to have something delicious. The name of the dish is pancakes. Now there's a variety of ways that pancakes can be made. We will share with you the way we make them in our house. So let us have a look at the ingredients.
Here is some all-purpose flour, some milk, refined sugar, an egg, melted butter, baking powder, a pinch of nutmeg and some salt. So we are going to begin by whisking all these ingredients and making a batter. So there are multiple ways to go about the mixing. Some people like to prepare two separate mixes, one of the dry ingredients and one of the wet, and then mix them together. I personally prefer to just mix them all in one go. So let's begin by adding our all-purpose flour, refined sugar, our baking powder. So this is what is going to make our pancakes fluffy, salt, a pinch of nutmeg powder. So since we're not adding any essence, this is going to give it a very unique flavor. Melted butter, an egg. So the egg is going to bind all our ingredients together and give it the tinge of brown color that we're looking for in our pancakes, and milk. Let's whisk all these ingredients together. So this is nicely done now. We don't want to whisk it too much. This is ready. Look at the consistency. And we're going to keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes.
So what we have done here is that we are using a flat bottom pan and we have put some olive oil to grease the bottom a little, and I'm using this ladle to pour our pancake mix onto this. So and we have kept the heat flame is on low to medium. So let us start. So these are the two signs basically where I see. One is that it starts to dry a little, and the second is these bubbles you see. When these bubbles start coming and it starts to dry out from the sides, that is when we are close to flipping it. So I think we can flip it now. So I'm keeping it a little bit greased with olive oil. This is the look we have on the other side, and this looks perfect, and it is done. So here we go again. So it is beginning to dry from the sides, and you see these bubbles, and it's time to flip our pancake. And it is perfectly brown. So we keep going like this, depending on how many of these pancakes do we want. So with the quantities that we mentioned, we can make around 7 to 8 pancakes of this size. So that's how we keep going. We pour our pancake mix onto the pan. Then we look for signs which are bubbles on the top and a little bit of drying on the sides, and that is when we'll flip it. And after flipping, we keep it on slow flame for another maybe 1.5 to 2 minutes on low flame.
So our pancakes are ready to be had now, and look at how nice and fluffy they've come out to be. We've topped them with some blueberry preserve and maple syrup. We've also added some chocolate syrup just to make them more sinful. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.